In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an index page in Confluence. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone who's just starting out, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and detail, ensuring that you can create an organized and navigable index page with ease. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is ready, you'll want to navigate to Confluence. You can do this easily by typing Confluence into your search bar and selecting the official website in the search results. If you haven't already, log into your Confluence account. If you're new to Confluence and don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to create your account and verify your email, and you'll be set to go in no time. Now, once you're logged in, you'll need to access the specific space where you want to create your index page. Navigate to your desired Confluence space using the site's menu. Spaces in Confluence are akin to folders and are great for segmenting different projects or teams within your organization. Once you're in your chosen space, it's time to start creating the index. In the empty field where you can begin typing out your page, simply type a table of contents. This command triggers the macro selection feature within Confluence. You'll see a variety of options pop up, but what we're interested in is the table of contents macro. Select this option from the list, and this will activate the tool. After selecting the table of contents macro, you'll see customization options displayed on the right side of your screen. This is where you can tailor the settings to suit your needs. For instance, you might want to adjust which heading levels are displayed. Perhaps you'd like to show only main headings, or maybe you want to include subheadings as well, depending on how detailed you want your index to be. You can also modify the list style, choosing between different formats like bullet points or numbers according to what's most visually appealing or useful for your team. Once you've adjusted these settings to your satisfaction, insert the table of contents by clicking the Insert button. This will add it directly to your page. To finalize everything, make sure to click Publish so that all your changes are saved and your new table of contents is visible to anyone accessing the page. And there you have it, your very own index page in Confluence. With this setup, navigating through your space's content becomes significantly simpler, helping your team stay organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.